right, so this last video, we showed installing the system, showed powering on the system, prepping for takeoff, showed doing the heading alignment maneuver. We did the heading alignment maneuver, fly the mission, perform the maneuver again, and now this video is going to show the landing sequence. So with proximity mode, we're in the 25-meter proximity area, so now it's already started transferring data. So when it lands, I should see my system light flashing yellow, indicating that we've got data transferring. Now, if you don't see the flashing yellow and it's still solid green, you can just press and hold that green button on the controller and it'll start flashing yellow. See, we're flashing yellow now. We're transferring data, so what we're waiting for here is a solid system light. Here we go. I can power off the system. And then we have a flight with data collection. It's created a cycle there on our USB drive, so that data was transferred over to the USB drive, and now we can just unplug that and move it to our computer. So I'll point out that that video was edited, so it's going to take a bit longer to transfer the data than what you might have seen in the video. So typically, like I said, it's about 4 to 5 minutes per 15-minute flight, and maybe a minute or two of that happens in the air during after you enter the proximity mode. But it's going to be a few minutes there of data transfer on the ground. So don't be alarmed if it lands and it takes several minutes to get a solid system light.